Buenos dias. All right. You need to make sure you know how to ask and tell where you're from. And it will be, this one is actually pretty short and simple. So we can say, hello, hola, hola. Where are you from? Literally, from where are you? ¿De dónde eres? And they'll answer, soy de. So for him, it's soy de Chile. And we can use that same question from the last that we learned before, y tú, and you. And they say, soy de Mexico. So it's super simple. Hola. ¿De dónde eres? And soy de, and then you put the place. So in class, we could all say soy de Draper. Sometimes people like to claim other places that they're from. I grew up in Wyoming, but now I live in Draper, so I could say soy de Wyoming, y Draper. However you want to claim whichever place. Okay? Study that up a little bit and then come find me and I'll pass you off.